Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about factory method pattern. So the factory method pattern suggests that you replace direct object construction calls using the new operator with calls to a special factory method. The objects are still created via the new operator, but it is being called from within the factory method, and objects returned by a factory method are often referred to as products. So, at first glance, this change may look pointless. We just moved the constructor call from one part of the program to another. However, consider this. Now you can override the factory method in a subclass and change the class of products being created by the method. There is a slight limitation, though subclasses may return different types of products only if these products have a common base class or interface. Also, the factory method in the base class should have its return type declared as this interface. For example, both the truck and the ship classes should implement the transport interface, which declares a method called deliver. And each class implements this method differently. Trucks deliver cargo by land, ship delivers cargo by sea, and the factory method in the road logistics class returns truck objects, whereas the factory method in the sea logistics class returns ships. So the code that uses the factory method, often called the client code, doesn't see a difference between the actual products returned by various subclasses. The client treats all the products as abstract transport, and the client knows that all transport objects are supposed to have the deliver method, but exactly how it works isn't important to the client. Structure. The creator class declares the factory method that returns new product objects, and it is important that the return type of this method matches the product interface. You can declare the factory method as abstract to force all subclasses to implement their own versions of method. As an alternative, the base factory method can return some default product type. So this was a brief discussion on factory method pattern. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.